bypass shank. When you draw to the canvas, it's set up like this. What we're doing is you can go with the ring circle, you can go with the egg shape, and that's adjustable here. You can go with the side profile, that's adjustable here. Turn the crosshairs off and on. Let's go with the ring. Now the trick is you can pull this and adjust the points. In Rhino. You can turn this solution, disable it. This way you can move this point, and then you can go recalculate. It saves it a lot of time. This way you can change the sliders quickly. Okay. Okay, egg shape didn't work there because it lost the ring form. There you go. Okay. You can go back to straight line. You can go this way. Once you've changed these points around, it's easy to just take these and then right-click, internalize the points. And this way they'll be set there for you for the next time, and then save them with it. Okay, you can see here it's got a custom round stone cutter. It's been disabled because we've already made the cutter that we're going to use on this over here. So you can actually delete this if you want, and it won't make a difference because you've internalized that cutter here. Okay, now let's go back to straight. And we'll go to ring circle. We can change the profile of the cut ring, and we would have to go in and change these because we're pulling a subcurve off this, so it's probably easier to go with a shape. Because the claws are perpendicular to normal to the surface. So if you want these claws to be normal to something else, we can do that too, but right now they're normal to the surface, and that's why they change as it goes. Okay, we're using shank loft profile, and profile curve. Let's see what this does. It's been a while since I've used this. Okay, we're changing the shape of the, you can see we're tapering from large to small. Turn the solution off, adjust the recalculate. Okay, so we really need this, like this, like this. There we go. Now, you can see we have a subcurve, and we're using the subcurve in the placement of the gemstones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go down to 4. And you can see 4. We'd have to change this groove cutter as well, but it works pretty well. Change the stone size. You can see now we'd have to change the cutter a little bit longer because we changed the size of the diamonds. That should change this in here. Yeah, see. So it's better that you turn it off. This way you can make the adjustments and then just recalculate, you know. Otherwise you just move the slider a little bit and you're forcing it to recalculate all the time. As these definitions get complex, you're just trying to tweak it a little bit. So it's easier to hold it off until you tweak it correct. Lots to see, but because that AlgoJewels is written like Lego blocks, you can see it says curve to surface, right? Round brilliance, curve to surface. So these are the round brilliant stones that are on here. Cap ends of the shank, that's these caps over here, right? And this is the diamond curve. And we're using this profile and picking a deformation. Great tool. Fun to work with. But a lot of shanks are like this. They use this type of gemstone setup. So this can work for you. Next thing you do is add a stone in there, a rail in between here, and you're pretty well off to the races. Thank you for watching.